Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and in this video, we are working on the quadratic and the fractional equations. The exact topic of this video is solving quadratic equations with the help of graphical method. To learn this, we are using the Think New Syllabus. We are using Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, published by the Oxford University book, Oxford University Press. This is their third book, and the chapter 3 I'm using from this book and working on the exercise 3C. This is my third episode on this. So the episode is third. So, and basically we are also working on the question number 3. Here, let me show you the question number 3 and exercise 3C. You can see here the question number 3 is showing up. He says the variable x and y are connected by the equation y equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Complete the table for y equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Draw the graph for y equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9 for x from minus 5 to 0. Hence, solve the equation x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. Okay. So first of all, we have to complete this table with the help of our calculator. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay. We will use our calculator to find out the values. So we have bracket minus 5 bracket close square, then plus 6 bracket minus 5 bracket close, plus 9 equal. This is what I am entering on my calculator. So I can show you the answer is 4. So I will write here 4. Okay, then bracket minus 4 bracket close square plus 6 bracket minus 4 bracket close plus 9 equals to, and it is giving me 1. Okay, so I write here 1. Then you will have bracket minus 3 bracket close square plus 6 bracket minus 3 bracket close plus 9 equals to, and that is giving me 0. Okay, so I write here 0. Then you will have the next one, which says bracket minus 2 bracket close square plus 6 bracket minus 2 bracket close plus 9 equals to, and that gives me again 1. Okay, so this is 1. Then I will have to enter minus 1. Okay, x bracket minus 1 bracket close square plus 6 bracket minus 1 bracket close plus 9 equal, and that gives me 4. Okay, so and when you will enter 0, it will be 9. So I have to plot these points on this graph. So we will do that. So very simple, you see. And here we go, minus 5. At minus 5, we have positive 4. So the point will be here. At minus 4, it is 1. This point. At minus 3, it is 0. Okay. At minus 2, it is positive 1. Okay. At minus 1, it is 4. This point. And at 0, we have 9. 9 is this. So you see, this is in a very good balance. Symmetry is good, so I can plot it. So here we go. This shape is called parabola. Okay. So this is how you will draw this graph. And then they asked me another question. They asked us to solve this equation, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9. You see, if you look at this side, you pay attention to this side. This is that curves equation whose graph I have already drawn. So whatever is here, we call it line. So y, so I will draw a line of y y equals to 0. So I will draw that line. So this line is here. This line is y equals to 0. And we will check what are the answers. So this is basically y equals to 0. So your graph only touch at one point, and that is -3. So this is the answer, sir. Only -3. -3 is the answer. So let me check from the book if the answers are right. We are working on the exercise 3C. This is question number 3. Exercise 3C. Exercise 3C. Question number. So here we got the answers. Exercise 3C. Question number 3. There is a single answer where the graph cuts the y equals to 0 line. That's -3. So this is how you will do the question number 3 of this exercise. I hope that this is clear to you and you understand how this is done. So my dear students, now we are going to solve the exercise 3C. It's question number 4. He says, draw the graph of y is equals to 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 for x from -3 to 2. Hence, solve the equation 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 graphically. Okay, so first of all, I have to complete this table, and I will complete this table with the help of my calculator. So this is 3x squared. So basically 3 bracket -3 and its square plus 4 bracket -3 bracket close minus 5 equals to, I get 10. So this is how this is done. Okay, so I got 10. With the help of the calculator, we are filling this. Okay, so then you have 3 bracket -2 bracket close square plus 4 bracket -2 bracket close minus 5 equals to, and that gives me -1. Okay, so here we will write -1. Now then we have 3 3 bracket -1 bracket close square plus 4 bracket -1 bracket close minus 5 equals to, and that gives me -6. Okay, that gives me -6. Then I will enter 0, that will give me -5. When I will enter 1, it will give me 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 5, that will give me 2. When I will enter 2, that we can do calculator, 3 bracket 2 bracket close square plus 4 bracket 2 bracket close minus 5 equals to, that's 15. So that gives me 15. Okay, so you see, let me check if the table, but the table is not given. Okay, so we have to plot these points. So let's plot these points. Okay, so at -3 it is 10, positive 10. Okay, it's positive 10, positive 10, positive 10. Where is the positive 10? This is, and at -2 it is -1, so it is here. At -1 it is -6, so it's here. At 0 it is -5, so that point is here. At 1 it is 2. Okay, that point is here. At that's it. Okay, sorry, at 1, oh sorry, it was not this point, sorry, this is the point. At 2 it is 15, 15, 15. Where is 15? So the 15 will be here. This is not the right point. Okay, so then you see the points are not that, they are not making the curve very smooth. In reality, the curve is very smooth, so I can take further points. For example, I can take -2.5. So I will write 3 bracket -2.5 bracket close square plus 4 bracket -2.5 bracket close, and then you have -5 and equals to, and this is 3.75. So at -2.5, you can see at minus 2.5, this is giving me the value 3.75. 3.75, 3.75, 3 is here, so 3.75 will be 2 and here somewhere, okay? So then I can take the point on minus 1.5, okay? So it will be 3 bracket minus 1.5 bracket close square plus 4 bracket minus 1.5 bracket close, and then you have minus 5 equals to, and that gives you minus 4.25, minus 4.25. Minus 4.25 will be, minus 4.25 will be here, here somewhere, okay? Then I will have to take another point at minus, why I'm taking extra points, to make this graph very smooth. The curve should be very smooth, okay? So 3 bracket minus 0.5 bracket close square plus 4 bracket minus 0.5 bracket close, and then you have minus 5 equals to, and that gives me minus 6.25, minus 6.25, minus 6.25, minus 6.25 will be here, okay? And then this graph goes back. I can take another point on 0.5, for example. 3 multiplied 0.5 square plus 4 multiplied 0.5 minus 5 equals to, and that is minus 2.25, minus 2.25, it will be here, okay? Then I can take a point between 1.5 at 1.5, okay? So this will be 3 multiply 1.5 square plus 4 multiply 1.5 minus 5 equals to, and that gives me 7.75. 7 points, so here 7.75 will be this point, okay? So now it's much better. So now I can plot it. Now the curve will be a little more smoother, okay? So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. So this is going like this. Okay. So you see. So because my hand is not in the right good position, you see. So okay. Okay. So this, you are supposed to draw this with the help of the pencil. Unfortunately, I am doing it with the marker because so that it's very clear in the video. But in actual, you will draw this with the pencil, okay? So then you have a lot of the margin of making it more smoother. So this shape is called the parabola. So this is how you will draw this. And then they asked me a question. They asked me to solve this equation, okay? So you will look at this left side. This is exactly that curve whose graph we have already drawn there. And this, I call this a line. I make it equals to the y, and I draw this line. This line is already drawn there. So that line is basically y equals to 0. So this is that line, y equals to 0, this line. So when your graph cuts it at this point and at this point, what is the value here? Here it is minus 2.1, I think. Minus 2.15, maybe. This is 0.75, I think. Yeah, it looks like that. 0.75, okay? Let me check the answer, sir. And if our answers are right or not. You see, when we draw graphs, so our answer can be a little bit up or down. And let's see. Question number, exercise 3C, question number, he says minus 2.1 and 0.8. So our answers are almost right. Their answer is minus 2.1. We said it's approximately minus 2.15. So our answer is also right. Their answer is 0.8. Our answer is 0.75. So approximately it's right. Okay, so this is how you will do the question number 4 of the exercise 3C, and this is our third episode on this. The topic of the chapter is quadratic and fractional equations. The topic of this exercise is solving quadratic equations with the help of the graphical method. And we are covering this topic from the Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition, their third book. And this book is published by the Oxford University Press. This book, these questions, they are their property. This is a very important thing for everyone because I am using this book in my video. But remember, the book and the questions, they are the property of the Oxford University Press.